Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to pin a message in WhatsApp group. First of all, tap to open WhatsApp. Once you open up the WhatsApp, go into any group chat. Now hold on to the message you want to pin. Once you tap on the message, click on three dots, then tap to add the message in star. After that, tap on another message and add it in star as well. Then click on Group Info and scroll down to click on Start Messages. Here you can see the messages you added in star. Currently, this is the only way to pin a message in WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.